Hello, my name is Budi Darmawan. I'm a director of Oxfam, Bangladesh.
Hello, my name is Talia Crespo. I'm the logistic coordinator for the national office in Bangladesh.
Hello, I'm Katya. I'm the head of logistics with Oxfam International.
Good morning. My name is Gregor Kojavinsky and I'm a program officer specialized in capacity building.
In 2013, Oxfam released a strategic plan outlining a vision for addressing poverty, inequality, and meeting basic needs of communities affected by disaster around the world. We are in the final year of this strategic plan, and while progress has been made, we have also learned valuable lessons about the importance of involving people in planning and implementation of programs to help them better prepare for future disasters. We know that communities are often the first responders to disaster in their country. We know that investing in preparedness and building community capacity is vital to saving lives immediately after the disaster. And we know that many of the people most at risk for man-made and natural disasters are not included in the planning and design of resilience and preparedness program. Oxfam is looking to change that pattern. This year, we are launching a new pilot program, building on our expertise in logistics and collaborating with local business owners and aid organizations to develop and run training programs for people living in disaster-prone areas.
Billions of dollars are spent on international humanitarian aid projects every year, and the total is rising, hitting $27.3 billion at the end of 2017. Nearly 80% of program spending is on supply chains and logistics, the vital work of making sure the right material gets to the right place at the right time. Studies show that investing $1 on measures to better prepare organizations in disaster-prone countries can save $3 that would have been needed in disaster response. In addition, investing in communities vulnerable to disasters by collaborating to plan and implement systems and structures that allow information, materials, staff, and financial resources to flow quickly into disaster settings can also contribute to the community's economic opportunities. Oxfam conducted an assessment of countries where we currently operate and have chosen Bangladesh to pilot our new capacity building preparedness program, HAPPY, to address both the high rate of poverty and high risk of natural disasters.
How does it work? It's simple. The HAPPY program aims to empower local communities, improve preparedness with the long-term vision that 100% of materials can be sourced nationally. We are raising a campaign to collect $1 million, from which we have already reserved 30%. This will improve response time and have a positive impact on the environment by reducing CO2 emission associated with international transportation of relief goods. Our one-year capacity building program will target 80 community members. In each of 8 districts of Bangladesh, 10 representatives from business, government, and civil society will create a cooperative and will be trained for 2 months across 5 core areas: inventory management, warehousing, forecasting, transportation, and partnership and coordination. With the guidance of an Oxfam mentor, each team will assess the area where improvement is most needed and propose a project that will improve their community preparedness. Each group will be granted 80% of the total project budget, up to $25,000, with support from Oxfam to raise the additional 20% of project funds if needed. During the whole year, we'll provide our support and expertise in order to ensure the best results. Better preparedness is less money spent on transporting life-saving materials.
Better preparedness is faster response in times of emergency.
Better preparedness is more life saved.
Support Oxfam HAPPY program today to save more better life in the future.
We do not need to wait for the disaster to come. We can start to work already now.